Wow, trading 212 now gives interest on your shares as well. I'm going to show you how to enable interest on share. Tap on the drop down at the top and then select trading 212 invest account. And then tap on the hamburger icon. Then you could see the option to select interest on shares. Tap on it. You can earn daily interests on your shares. Tap on learn more. So basically, trading 212 would lend your shares to third parties and get a percentage of interests. And the good news is that you will still be entitled to the dividends. Sounds good? Tap on next. And it is secured by US treasuries with a minimum of 102% of your shares value. Sounds good? Tap on next. And it is fully automatic. So tap on next. You could still buy and sell shares in a normal way. So there is no restrictions on your trading. Sounds good? Tap on next. And the beauty of trading 212 is that it shows you every day how much interest you earn, your lent value, and more in a very transparent way. Sounds good? Tap on next. And you can stop lending at any time. And it would take around 2 days for your account to go back to normal. So tap on next. Here is an example of how much you could earn if you would lend your share. For example, if you lend £300 for 15 years, you could earn £98 interests. Sounds good? Tap on next. Read this carefully. These are some of the risks of lending shares. The borrower might not return your shares. And trading 212 gives you the safeguard. The next risk is price volatility. And the third risk is that trading 212 and all other parties simultaneously go bankrupt. But in the UK, if this happens, your money is protected up to £85,000 by FSCS. If you understand all these, tap on I understand. One of the downsides of lending share is that you will lose your voting rights. If you're happy, tap on I understand. The lent might be used for shorting. If you're happy, tap on I understand. You will get your full dividend, but in rare situations, you might get it as manufactured payment, which can be taxed differently. So just be aware. And if you're happy, tap on I understand. These are some of the important information regarding interest on share. So here you could see that trading 212 would earn 50% of the interest from the shares that you lent and many other points. If you're happy, tap on I confirm. And as easy as that, share lending is now enabled. And now trading 212 would try to lend your shares after 2 days if there is demand. Tap on close, and here is the overview of your share lending. You could see your monthly earnings, your daily interest, collateral, lent value, interest rate, which shows the transparency of trading 212. And now if you would close this, and then if you want to come back to see your earnings, tap on the hamburger icon again, and then tap on interest on shares. And if in the future, for example, if you would see that risks of lending your shares are going up, you could come here and disable lending. Just bear in mind, it might take a few days to get your shares back. I got many other tutorials on trading 212, which you can find on the screen and links in the description.